I wonder what we're going to play today.
Okay, we're going to play. Well, first we're going to do some mental math like we've been doing. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay. All right. First we're going to do some mental math. We talked about mental math last week. We talked about doing some subtraction. Remember, Tiny?
No.
And do you guys remember why we practice mental math?
So then we know the simple facts, so then we can gain more knowledge to know the bigger facts.
That's exactly right. And we talked about, do you always have something to write on if you're trying to add up something like tickets at Chuck E. Cheese? Sometimes you have to be able to
Or
have
your
those.
hand.
Yeah,
This.
but you can use your hand. That's okay. All right, I'm gonna do. So you're gonna look at it for a minute,
Don't cheat.
and when you think that you know what it is, give me your thumbs up, okay? And then we'll share and see how you've got that answer.
Okay.
Instead of trying to stack it in your head, Taylor, look at the two numbers and think about the difference between them.
I'm trying to do it like we did in,
But we're not adding, this time we're subtracting. So you're taking this many away from this many. You look at it, Delaney? Think about this number. If you count up to this number, how many is in between them? What do you think?
okay, Delaney, think it like this. How far away is 45 from 50? Count your fingers from 45 all the way to 50 and see if you can find it. Hold up 5 fingers. 56, 57.
And then we're going to start at 45.
Oh, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, wait. 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. What's the difference? Oh, 50. The difference is 5.
You just said it, 5, yeah.
Yes.
So tell me how you guys figured it out. I like the way you were thinking, Taylor. You counted the difference by counting up from 45 to 50. What did you do, Mia? You did the same thing? Did you notice right away that it was going to be a small difference?
Yeah, it's going to be 5.
Because like, you can count from 45 up to 50 because it's not like
It's not very much.
50 minus 14. So you can just do it with your fingers because it's not that far apart
Okay.
from each other.
Can I give you a trickier one?
Yes,
Yes.
please.
Okay.
Dun, dun.
What are you going to do for Christmas?
What am I going to do?
Yes, what do you want for Christmas?
Oh, I don't know. Probably books. I read all the time. It's my favorite thing.
I want an iPhone 6 or an iPhone.
My
That
dad's
has
like,
a
That
can it
sound
be
like my daughter.
Can it be? My dad's like, can it be something else in electronics? I never.
I'm like, no. I said,
I don't wonder.
you should have said, okay, a pony. It's not electronic.
He said no electronics.
Yeah.
Yeah.
13 all the way to. That's gonna be hard.
Got it.
Oh, it's okay. That's totally okay. Think about, a good way to think about this one is the 10 strategy that we've been working on. It's okay, take your time, guys. Do you want Taylor to explain her thinking, or do you want another minute? I know you can do it. You're a little mathematician. Which one do you want?
I keep the answer in my head.
Good job. Do you want another minute? You want Taylor to explain her thinking?
Okay, I do my thinking like a number line.
Like a number line.
I do 60, 50, 40, 30, and then 10.
Mhm.
60 and 10, and then all I did was just subtract 60 from 13. Like I thought about it for a long time, so you can't subtract 0 from 3. So you cross out 0, you cross out 6, and 6 becomes 5,
Mhm.
and 0 becomes a 10. 10 minus 3 is 7, and 5 minus 1 is 4. So that's how I got my answer.
Thank you for explaining. Mia, do you remember we were talking about this yesterday? I love the way you explained your thinking there, Taylor. But that you're still stacking, and I want you to think about how many ones is in, or how many tens is in 13? 1. So if you take 1 10 away from 16, how much is it? 50. And then if you take 3 ones away from 50, go down 3 ones.
47.
47. See? What do you think? Let's try one more.
Okay. Tell me when that will.
I want you to try and think about the number line or the tens, okay? I'm going to give Mia plenty of time so she can answer too.
Okay.
She's really good at this one. Did you stack it in your head, Taylor? No?
I did.
You did?
Easier.
Did you stack it in your head? Okay, let me explain.
So 5 minus 2 equals
3.
and so that means that the ones place is going to be a 3. And so now 2 minus 1 is
1.
Bless you.
and so then that means that it's going to be a 13.
Good job, guys. Fantastic. All right, well, we're going to
I have
start
to sneeze.
our lesson.
I sneeze very
And we're going to go back to adding for our activity today. You have been sneezing.
I've been sneezing a lot.
You've been sneezing a whole lot.
Yeah, when we were switching.
Oh, Taylor, this is yours from last week. I brought it for you.
Okay,
Taylor
can't eat.
Yeah, Taylor can't eat.
You each get 2 dice. Why can't she eat?
Because whatever I'll eat.
Well, you can save it for later. How about that?
Save it when you can.
I am going to get.
So let me read the directions here for you. This game is called Roll the Dice. And it says roll 2 dice to make a 2-digit number. So it doesn't matter which order. You can choose how your number is going to be. Write the number down, roll the dice to make a new 2-digit number, write the second number down, add the 2 numbers together, and share your strategy. Okay? And you can try to either use mental math. You can stack it if that's what you want to do, but I'd love to see how you're using your mental math. So there's some data sheets for you guys, and there's 1 pencil.
I see another pencil.
2 pencils, 3 pencils.
Can I have a cotton and sharpen this?
Yes.
I need to go sharpen
Did you pick which dice you want?
Oh, yeah.
You already got yours, okay. So let me get yours.
Rainbow.
You got a rainbow one, all right.
Rainbow.
So what are you gonna do
Me
first?
too.
Roll it down.
Roll That's okay.
Let me go sharpen my pen.
Hey, wait a second. You don't roll the dice first. You have to write your name.
Yeah,
Okay, you girls.
Wait, why does that look like a 12 minus? Like 12 minus. Hey, since today we can't eat, can I have my candy?
No, that's Taylor's candy.
What day is it?
Today's the 9th, December 9th.
Oh, slash 15. I almost wrote 16.
Slash almost 16.
Roll the dice. Gonna do. Wait, how do we know which number's the biggest? So then
You can choose what order to put them in. So you rolled a 2 and a 4, so you could either make, what two numbers? You could make 4. Good job, Mia.
42. But you have to put it in the middle, and you can't just put.
I want you
minus
guys to do five different problems, okay?
Okay,
30 and 31.
34.
so
31.
okay.
So then you write the number down, which Mia did, and then you roll again, and you write another number down you're going to add.
Is it subtracting and
Hey,
adding?
this is
Just
mine.
adding. Look, it says add the two numbers together. So you roll, your first number is 34, and then you roll a new number and you put it underneath your 34, and you add them. There you go. Or like Mia did, she put them
63.
63.
That's a hard one.
Wait, are we doing blood?
Oops.
We're doing addition. Yes, ma'am.
I'm doing
Oh,
mine.
okay. I always had that the same.
I like how you did your thinking there, Taylor. You showed your work.
I'm gonna do this a little different.
That's pretty. You've got it stacked, so you can just add your numbers, right?
Okay.
Then
In a different way. I'm gonna do it.
7.
What was it? What was it? What was?
10.
Good job, Miss Mia.
13.
77. Awesome. All right. Do your next one. Ooh.
Anybody got?
It doesn't matter which order you put those in, does it?
Anybody got an eraser?
No.
Yes, you do.
You don't have an eraser on yours?
Teeny tiny.
Okay, keep working so you girls can go back in and finish your reading lesson.
25.
Mia, are you adding or subtracting? Yes, Mia. Good job.
63 again.
You got 63 twice. That's crazy.
The second problem. I know that these are both going to be the same digits
You do? How do you know that?
because these are the same and these are the same.
Really smart, Mia. Good job.
But
41.
plus
How you doing over there, Taylor? You making a number line?
61. Let's keep on getting 60.
Keep on getting 60. You can decide what order, so you could have done, what's the other number you could have done? Delaney, look right here. What else? 16.
I'm going to put 54. Oh, it's still the same.
Yes, 54.
54 plus
102.
55.
Do you need help, Taylor?
52.
Why don't you show me your thinking? Which one are you doing?
I'm doing a number.
I like that you're using a number line. I like that you're using different strategies to figure it out. What are your two numbers?
26 and 13.
26 and 13. So if you're doing a number line,
What's 15?
could you count up
What?
10? Does 13 have a 10 in it?
Yes.
So could you count up from 26, 10, and then add 3 more? Do you think you could do it that way?
Equals 109.
24.
Dun, 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 dun.
Good job, Delaney.
Different.
I want to see you do it without stacking one time. Let's think about it together, okay? So
I
write
know
your.
what to do.
Okay.
Hold on. What number?
Good job, Mia. I like how you're labeling your ones and your tens and your 100s. Have you guys been doing any more multiplication this week?
No. We're doing division.
You're doing division.
I don't know.
24?
I haven't been here.
Okay, where's your two
For
numbers?
5
Oh,
days.
24. Oh, I like that. Guys, look, Delaney drew a picture representation of her numbers. 2 tens and 4 ones. Plus
Plus
1 10.
Mess on the back.
43.
You girls are so good at using all these different strategies to solve your problems.
Let's see how this together. Hurry up.
Which one are you going to do, Taylor? Which one are you going to do first? 34.
I got 44.
Let's see.
Can all these up together?
You're exactly right. What
How
a
many
great job, Delaney. I think you're done. You can go back to your work, but this was a good way to work on our different strategies. Delaney used pictures. She used a picture representation. Taylor used a number line, and Mia used separating into ones, tens, and hundreds. So that is fantastic. All the different strategies you guys used. Do you think this game would be awesome if we did it with subtraction? Yes?
I have to do one more.
You have to do one more because you like it?
Alright, I'm gonna have to start.
12.
What number would this be?
20. And that one was 12.
5.
Well, it looks like 23 right now. How was it 12? Was it 1 a minute ago? Oh, you're saying the first time you rolled you got a 1 and a 2? And then you got a 2 and a 3. I see, I'm sorry.
Oh.
So you have 3 tens and how many ones? 5. But what do you think that you did wrong right here? If you have 3 tens, do you have 30 tens? Look right here. Do you have 30 tens? How many tens did you draw? Count them. 1, 2,
3.
Yes. So should that be 3 or 30?
Oh, 3.
Yes, because you only have 3. You don't have 30 tens. That you'd have to draw 17 more, 27 more.
I'll get it.
There you go.
One more.
Fantastic, girls. One more.
15.
Taylor, are you drawing a picture of your dice?
No, I'm trying to figure out the
You're grouping?
multiplication problem. Yes.
Can I draw my dice?
You guys need to go back and finish your reading lesson, you and Delaney too. So, these are your dice.
30.
Okay.
You girls did fantastic today. I really loved how you guys use so many different ways to think about math.
I can't fit 11 dots in a circle.
You don't think you can?
I'm just gonna do 11, 11, 11, 11, 11, 11.
There.
Fantastic, Delaney. Here we go. Thank you, madam.
Let me add this right quick.
Wait, how many were we supposed to do?
I don't want you to miss your reading instruction time.
How many were we supposed to do?
5. You've already done 5.
I've already done 8.
I know. You've done a lot. You did such a great job. Thank you.
I've done 6.
Okay, let me add this like
All right, girls.
1,
I'm excited that you guys are learning so much
7,
tonight.
8. 1, 2,
I got
3,
7.
4, 5,
I'm not
6,
supposed to
7.
do like that.
Okay, and then go back over to the class that you were in, okay?
78.